Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video we want to discuss the how you can make online money to sell your art and photography. So the viewers, let's start our video. Another option is to sell your art and photography. If you are a creative person, you may want to consider selling your creative products to start making money online. For example, if you love taking pictures of animals, you might be able to sell them online. Or if you have a knack for taking picture of people, you may want to get hired as a photographer. You should try to take advantage of different social media marketing strategies that can help you get your name out there. That way more people will learn about your art and photography, and they will be interested in the services you provide. Keep in mind that art comes in many shapes and forms. You might be skilled with a paintbrush, you might be skilled with a computer. Digital artwork has become very popular during the past few years, and you might want to use your skill with the computer to produce digital artwork for other people. With so many people interested in starting an online business or their on online store, you might even be able to produce artwork and photography that can double as a logo for a new company. Do not forget to ask your customers to leave reviews that can help you expand your online presence. That's why you can generate more business for yourself. Become an online translator. Another way to make online money is through translating. Do you speak a second language? If you might be surprised at just how much money someone might pay you for your services. Today, we live in a world that is more global than ever before. If you are able to speak a second language, you will immediately become more marketable just about everywhere. There are different types of translation projects you can work on. For example, you may want to serve as a remote translator in a conservation. If a doctor is having a difficult time communicating information to the patient, they might decide to hire a translator to help facilitate the conservation. You will listen to what one person says, translate it for other person, and make sure they understand what you have said. Then you can translate the information back for the doctor. This is one option available, and you might be able to create your own schedule, or you might be able to find a job translating document to make money online. For example, if someone need to submit a document to the court and other languages, they might hire a translator to help them do so. Depending on the type of translation you want to do, you may have to take different exams or create certain certification. It is up to you to decide how much money you want to make as a translator. You can translate different languages such as Arabic, Japanese, Chinese, and if you translate one language to other, then you can earn many money as well. Hope so you will like this video. Thank you.